Bitcoin tanked to $78,500. Ethereum close to $2,000. Brutal drops. The market is in freefall and panic is everywhere. But here's the truth. This dip is a screaming buy. Why? Today's and recent news just flipped the script. The SEC are dropping its cases against Coinbase, Uniswap, Gemini, Justin Sun, etc. Huge wins for crypto. Bitcoin's CME gap is closing, and whales are stacking like mad. Ethereum's burn rate spiking, and staking's locking up supply. BlackRock adding its Bitcoin ETF in a model portfolio for the first time. Macro's a mess, tariffs, tech crashes, but crypto is the escape hatch. Fear is peaking, and that's your signal. This isn't blind hope, it's data-backed proof. Stick with me as I break down why now is the time to load up on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's turn this bloodbath into your breakout. Today's been a nightmare. Bitcoin's sitting close to $84,000, and Ethereum's at $2,200. The whole market's a sea of red. Over $800 million liquidated, mostly longs. Brutal stuff. Bitcoin's testing $78,000 like it's a trampoline. Bounce or bust. Ethereum's at a 14-month low. Pain's real. So what's sparking this? Macro chaos. Trump's tariff threats on the European Union are spooking markets. S&P 500's down, tech's tanking, and crypto's caught in the crossfire. But here's the thing. This dip's not about crypto fundamentals, it's noise. And noise creates opportunity. Let's dig into why. Bitcoin's price is ugly, but the data is telling a different story. First, the CME gap. Traders are eyeing the $77,000 region, and Bitcoin's flirting with it now. Historically, gaps close and then rebounds. Next, hodlers are not budging. Exchange outflows are spiking. That means people are pulling Bitcoin off platforms, not selling. Negative flows all day. Hodlers are locking it down. Then whale activity. Large transactions are up. Whales are buying the dip, not dumping. These spikes? Big players stacking sats while you panic scroll X. Sentiments in the gutter. Fear and greed index is at extreme fear. That's contrarian gold. We're at 16. Fear's maxed. Time to buy? History says yes. Ethereum's getting wrecked, down close to $2,000. But its fundamentals are rock solid. Staking is the killer app here. Over 30 million Ethereum is locked up, and it's growing. That is almost 28% of the total supply. Can you imagine? Supply is vanishing. That means less Ethereum to trade and more pressure to the upside. Net supply is shrinking. Deflationary vibes are Ethereum's secret weapon. And good news are dropping every day, like the SEC halted its cases against Uniswap and Consensus. That's a massive win for Ethereum. No more legal overhangs. Ethereum's definitely free to fly. And just in today's news, BlackRock has added its Bitcoin ETF in a model portfolio for the first time. That's freaking bullish, guys. So, looking to Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. If Bitcoin holds $80,000, we are going to probably rebound fast to $100,000. Then we'll be open to conquer higher prices onto the next Fibonacci levels at $155,000 and $209,000. Jumping to Ethereum, it must hold $2,050. If not, it's going to be visiting the $1,800 region. Heikinashi RSI is hugely oversold, so the probability says higher. I would be looking for targets at the previous all-time high at $4,900 and beyond at $7,300. The truth is smart money is getting in hard. Are you? Here's the deal. Bitcoin and Ethereum at these prices are a steal for tomorrow. Bitcoin's CME gap is closing, whales are loading, and fear is your signal. Ethereum's staking and burns are choking supply, and the SEC just cleared the runway. Macro's a mess, but that's why crypto's the play. This dip is your ticket. Stack now, thank me later. Love this? Smash that like button, drop a comment. Bitcoin or Ethereum, which prices are you jumping in? Hit subscribe. Crypto Yield Pro is your daily dose. Miss my last video? It's fire. Check it here. Oh, and my ebook, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's your DeFi playbook. Grab it in the first pinned comment. Your support keeps these bangers coming daily. Let's ride this dip together. See you tomorrow.